Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel dear viewers. In front of me Xiaomi Pad 7 and now I'm gonna show you how to make this device faster. So firstly, remember the one rule, never fill up your internal storage over the 70% full. After you will fill up your internal storage over the 70%, your tablet will start to slowing down. So firstly, open the settings application and find about the tablet, and here we just need to find the storage and click on it. And as you can see, I have used I don't know how much I have used in percent, so we can count. Okay, 20, I have used 21.9, so 22 gigabytes of 198. Oh my gosh, how to calculate it? Does it have the calculator here? No, unfortunately. Oh, I have. So I have. You can calculate it in the same way. So 128 minus 21 minus 22. So it's 106 gigabytes. I have 3 now right now. So now I have 126. So how to count it? Oh my gosh. 128 minus 30%. Okay, so 70% of our internal storage is 90 gigabytes full. So now fill up your internal storage over the 90 gigabytes. So I have used on 22, but when you will fill up over the 90, it's maybe somewhere here. And when you fill up your internal storage over the 70%, your tablet is starting to slow down, and you will need to clear the space, remove all the applications, remove all the photos and videos, or move it to the cloud storage or to the hard disk. So cool. And the second aspect is the RAM. So all processes are running at the moment that are running RAM, and you need to understand that your RAM is good. You have good RAM, but you can expand your RAM using memory expansion feature. For example, use 3 gigabytes expansion and reboot your device. Have a quick beta. But you will need to click reboot your device to reboot it, and your system will use the small part of the internal storage to improve your RAM. It's a very good idea to try this feature. And the last aspect is the junk files, because applications on the Android system are leaving a lot of junk files behind, and we need to clear it from time to time. To do it, you just need to open About Tablet again, click Storage, and click Free Up. It will free up the junk files and cache files from your device. Click Clean Up, and cool, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.